first question. Express each of the following decimal in the form of P by Q. So here observe the decimal, first question, 0.57. So it is what kind of decimal it is actually? It is a terminating decimal. We know that how to convert a terminating decimal into P by Q form. So after decimal, how many digits are there here? 5 and 7. So 2 digits are there. So if a decimal is moved towards the right side, so in denominator, how many position it moves, that many zeros added on in the denominator. So which is equal to 57 by 100. Clear? So decimal is moved towards the right side of a number, then in how many decimals it moves, that many zeros will be added in the denominator. Now look at the second question, 0.176. Again it is also a terminating decimal because after 167 there is no decimal is there. So if you convert into P by Q form, what are you going to get it? 1 by 176 by 1000, because after decimal there are 3 digits are there. So 1000 will come in the denominator. So if you cancel it, what are you going to get it? Now 8 table, clear? 8 22 ja 176 and 8 into 125 will give the 1000. So the resultant answer is 22 by 125. Clear? I hope all of you know how to do cancellation. Next, second question is, express each of the following decimal in the rational form, that is P by Q. Now what kind of decimals are they given? Observe it here. Here is first question, 0.9 bar. So tell me, it is what kind of decimal it is? Is it a terminating decimal or non-terminating decimal? Yes, it is obviously non-terminating recurring decimals. It is recurring several times. So here is how to solve this. These kind of problems are very important. Now let x is equal to, let consider the given number as x. So x is equal to 0.9 bar. So here is in 0.9 bar, what is the periodicity of this particular decimal? Since bar is on only one number, so the periodicity is 1. So the expansion, what is the expansion of 0.9 bar? X is equal to 0.9999 so on infinity. So I am writing that is as first statement. Next, since periodicity is 1, so both side of an equation, both side of a equality, we have to multiply with the 10. Clear? Both side of equality multiplying with the 10. Why we are multiplying it? Because if you multiply with the 10 in this case, then only you can able to eliminate the fraction value over there. Observe here, 10x is equal to, if you multiply with the 10, what will happen? The decimal will value move to the right side, one position to the right side. So which is going to be 10x is equal to 9.9999. So here is, keep it as a second. So now subtract 2 minus 1. Now second equation and first equation subtract it. So what you are going to get it, just observe it. 10x is equal to 9.9 bar and x is equal to 0.9 bar. So if you subtract it, what you are going to get it? What you are going to get it? 10x minus x is equal to 9x and 9.9 bar by 0.9 bar is 9. So x is equal to 1. So nothing but 1 by 1. So here observe. So isn't it interesting that one decimal is equal to one natural number or one integer? So what we can conclude by this example, 0.9 bar is approximately equal to 1. That is why we will say that it is approximately equal to 1. Clear? Next one. Here is observe third one, third sub question over there, 0.729 bar. Now bar is on only 2 numbers. Then how to do it here? Same way, same process. So let consider first the given decimal as x. So x is equal to 0.7229 bar. So the expansion is x is equal to 0.7, 29, 29, 29, 29, so on infinitely. Now here, what is the periodicity over there? Now periodicity is bar is on how many decimals? How many digits? There are 2 digits, that is 2 and 9. So for a given expression, we need to multiply with the 100. For a given equation, we need to multiply with the 100. So 100x is equal to, now since we are multiplying with the 100, what will happen? The decimal is moved towards the right side. How many positions? 2 positions. The decimal is moved 2 positions right side of a decimal. So which is equal to 72.929292, so on it will come. Clear? So now the two equations subtract it. That is 100x is equal to 72.929292 and x is equal to 0.72929. So if you subtract it, you are going to get it. Observe it. Here will cancel everything, 292929 cancel, and here is after decimal. Observe it. 9 is there. Here is after decimal, 7 is there. So 9 minus 7 is 2. Next 72 minus 0, so 72. So 100 minus x is 99x. So 99x is equal to 72.2. Then x is equal to what happened? 72.2 by 99. So again, if you remove the decimal in denominator, 0 is added, which is equal to 722 by 990 is a P by Q form. Clear? Next question is third one. Find x plus y divided by x minus y if first one x is equal to 5 by 2 and y is equal to minus 3 by 4. Now here he is given x and y values. Yes, x is a rational number, y is also a rational number. Now just we need to substitute it. He said one variables is given, x plus y is divided by x minus y. So why to wait? Just find out the x plus y, substitute values. Clear? So x value substitute over there, 5 by 2. First we will find out the x plus y, then we'll x minus y, and then we'll divide it. So 5 by 2 plus minus 3 by 4, which is equal to 5 by 2 plus into minus minus. Clear? So 5 by 2 minus 3 by 4. Now here is do the LCM. Two rational numbers separated by plus or minus. So simply go for the LCM. So for 2 and 4, the LCM is 4. Clear? Now here the 2 is divisible by 2 times. Clear? 4 is divisible 2 times. So 5 into 2 is 10. Now 4 is 1 time only it is divisible. So 1 into 3 is 3. So which is equal to 10 minus 3 is 7. So the answer is 7 by 4. So x plus y, we got it 7 by 4. In the same way, x minus y, find out it. What is the x minus y? X minus y is equal to 5 by 2 minus half minus 3 by 4. So as I said, earlierly also, minus into minus, always plus will happen. So very careful. Here only lot of students will do a mistake. So 5 by 2 plus 3 by 4 will happen. Now do the LCM same way. So which is equal to 10 plus 3 by 4, that is 13 by 4. Now here is, he said to divide these two rational numbers. So 7 by 4 divides 13 by 4. So which is equal to 7 by 4 into, if a multiplication is changed to into means the next fraction is going to be interchange their position, that is reciprocal will happen. So 13 by 4 is going to be 14 by 13. So 4 cancel over there, 7 by 13 you get it. Clear? Next question is fifth one. Observe it. If 2 by 5 of a number exceeds 1 by 7 of a same number by 36, then find a number. Clear? Now observe here, he said a number he said. So do we know that number here? No. So 2 by 5 of a number exceeds 1 by 7 of a same number by 36. Find a number means let's consider in this kind of problems always make a habit that whatever the number that is not given is x. So here I am considering let the number be a x. So according to that conditions, according to the observation, what I can write it, he is given in a simple sentence. So convert into mathematical sentence by after understanding it. So what you will get it, 2 by 5 of x, 2 by 5 of x, exceeds means minus, which is a, how much it is exceeding, 36. So 2 by 5 of x minus 1 by 7x is equal to 36. That is the mathematical equation. Clear? Now do the LCM. There are two rational numbers are there. So just do the LCM. Yes, there are variable terms are there. Are they like terms or not? Yes, they are like terms. Because x is also, x power is 1 and degree of first variable is also 1 and 1 by 7 x is also 1. So we can do an LCM. So what is the LCM? 35. So 7 2 ja 14 minus 5x. So which is equal to 36. So 14x minus 5x is what happened? 9x. So 9x by 35 is equal to 36. Now 9x is equal to 35 is transposed to the other side of equal, then it is going to be into. So 35 into 36. So x is equal to 35 into 36 is going to be 1260 and 9 come to the denominator. So if you cancel it, you are going to get the answer 140. Clear? So therefore the given number, the number is 140. Eighth question. Let's do the eighth question. Find the area of a rectangular park which is 18 3 by 5 meters long and 8 2 by 3 meters broad. So is given length and breadth is given. Now look at over there in the diagram. So here the length is given and breadth is given. We know that rectangular park. Find the area. Area of a rectangle is what happened? If you consider length is L, breadth is B, then area is equal to L into B. Now substitute the values. What are the values given? So here is given mixed fraction 18 3 by 5. 18 3 by 5 is nothing but 18 plus 3 by 5. Clear? 18 plus 3 by 5. So now if you do an LCM, what you are going to get it? 18 5s are 90, 90 plus 3, 93 by 5 you are going to get it. Clear? So length is going to be 93 by 5 meters. Now what is the breadth? Breadth is also same. Now he is given mixed fraction. Now convert into a normal proper fraction. 8 2 by 3. So 8 2 by 3 if you convert it, 8 plus 2 by 3 which is equal to 26 by 3. So here is length and breadth we got it. So substitute in the given condition. Now multiply it. 93 by 5 into 26 by 3. So here is divisible 3. 3 1 ja 331 ja 93. Clear? Now 31 into 26 is 806. That is 806 by 5 which is equal to 161 1 by 5 meter square. Clear? If you convert into mixed fraction, that is 161 1 by 5 you go. Next one. 10th question. If 36 trousers of equal size can be stitched with 64 meters of cloth, now what is the length of the cloth required for each trouser? Clear? Here is observe 36 trousers of equal size can be, by using the 64 meters of cloth, they stitched 36 trousers of equal sizes. Then what is the length of the cloth required for each trouser? Each trouser, how much length of the cloth is required? To stitch the entire 36 trousers, 64 meters of cloth is required, means to stitch one trouser, how many meters it is required? Simple, right? Just observe it. Look at our cloth required for 36 trousers is 64 meters. Now the cloth required for only such one trouser is equal to 64 by 36 meters. Clear? 64 by 36. So if you do a cancellation, what you are going to get it? 16 by 9 meters. So therefore we can write it, to get a cloth required to stitch each trouser is 16 by 9 meters. Clear?